Hey, it is Kristen here with Gunderson CFO and Bookkeeping, and I wanted to come today to talk a little bit about your business. Um, S Corps. Do you have an S Corp? And this is so important because if you have an LLC taxed as an S Corp, or if you have a 1065, you are getting a K-1 from your business. A lot of people think that, oh, I have a corporation and my business is going to be paying taxes and I don't need to worry about it. I see this time and time again. Every year I see at least several people who think that their business is going to be paying for their own taxes, but they have a flow through entity like an S Corp or a 1065. Um, and what that means is you're going to get a K-1. You have to wait until you get your K-1 in order to file your personal taxes, your personal 1040s. I see this every single year where people go ahead and do their 1040 real quick because they're going to get a refund back. And then I do their business taxes for them and I present them with the K-1 and they're like, what's this? What am I supposed to do with this? I'm like, you're supposed to put it onto your personal tax return. Like, well, I already did my personal tax return. I'm like, well, you're going to have to amend it then because you have to wait. So sometimes if you do not have that K-1 in time by the 4/15 deadline, you have to do an extension on your personal tax return. It's a 4868. And this is so important because that K-1 is going to show how much money is flowing through to you and or your partners on the K-1. So you could have had a business loss, or you could have had a business gain, or you could have broke even. But normally you're going to have a loss or a gain. And this loss is either going to reduce your income, or if you have a gain, it's going to increase your income and you're going to have to pay taxes on it. So please, 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 if you do not know what you do not know, and if you do not know what you're doing, please consult with us because this is the second time I've seen it this year already. And I know I had the same conversation with one of them last year where they went ahead and filed their 1040 for the personal. And I'm like, you have a K-1, you can't do that. You have a K-1 coming. And then they're going to have to end up amending. Sometimes it works out in the better because sometimes the business has a loss. And then once the IRS sees, oh, they have a K-1 because they're going to find it through their processes. It's part of their checks and balances. If you have a loss, you might actually get money back. But if you have a gain, guess what? You're going to end up owing more money in taxes. And then you're going to have penalties and interests on that. So I just wanted to come to you, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, or if you're not sure what type of entity you have, please have a conversation with us. All right. Hope y'all are having a great day. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.